evening glow, every breath begins to slow. The air is thick with silent signs, a pause beneath these shifting lines. No map to read, no place to go, just feel the pull, let go, let flow. Ooh, the earth hums low, a deeper tone, a voice that knows. Where shadows lean, a moment's bend, the start is close, so close to end. Echo and flow, let your body know. Move with the tide where the warm winds blow. Echo and flow, lose control, go slow. Oh yeah, feel the night in a velvet glow. Neon dust on open skin, electric dreams are drawing in. The stars lean low, they watch us sway, old as time, but born today. A distant call, no name, no face, it lives between the beats of space. No need for words, no need to know the rhythm speaks, just echo flow. Oh, the sky drips gold on moving sand, the future folds inside the hand. One step more, then let it go, the night decides the afterglow. Echo and flow, let your body know. Move with the tide where the warm winds blow. Echo and flow, lose control, go slow. Ooh yeah, feel the night in a velvet glow. Morning breaks on the silver skies. Raindrops sparkle, the sparrow flies. Children's laughter down the lane. The world begins to smile again. Old friends waving from afar. Dreamers wishing on a star. Kind hearts giving what they can. Love still lives in every hand. Oh, how beautiful life can be when we open our eyes to see. Every moment soft and true, the world still shines in shades of blue. Oh, how beautiful life can be. Mothers singing lullabies, hope reflected in their eyes. Rivers whisper through the trees, faith is carried on the breeze. Oh, how beautiful life can be when we open our eyes to see. Every heartbeat, every tear tells us love is still right here. Oh, how beautiful life can be. We don't need the world to change, just hearts that understand the same. In every soul a light will bloom to chase away the shade of gloom. Oh, how beautiful life can be. Oh, how beautiful life can be if we live with love and empathy. In every face, in every hue, there's a little bit of me and you. Oh, how beautiful life can be.